because this is an education thing, do you think that debate in schools should be encouraged? And I say this because Baroness Fox is somebody I know quite well, and she has an academy in London called the Academy of Ideas, which is truly an academy of different ideas. And through schools in England, she's set up her own foundation. And she was a communist to begin with, and now she was appointed a baroness by the Conservatives, so, you know, she's really an ideas person. But what she's done is encourage debate amongst schools and have an academy for school children to take a different point of view. And religious schools, and they have to argue the opposite point of view to try and get their head into somebody else's space. And the end award is they have a debate in the House of Lords, which is a pretty big thing for kids from state schools in England. So do you think, as the Institute of this wonderful institute, that we could do something like that, and that might help people actually have to take a different point of view, even if it's not one that they're... And I don't mean elitist debate in private schools where it means, you know, it's not real. I mean debate that actually makes people think socially about a point of view they don't agree with. Do you think that could help?
I certainly do, and I think one of the great strengths of our legal system, which has many, many defects, and I'm looking at a few people, many, so many defects. I mean, you know, give me a break. But that aside, it's perfect. Now, what I think one of the great strengths of our legal system is that it is, in a way, a highly structured, high consequence debate.
It is.
A high consequence debate, highly structured, high consequence debate, which at its best together extremely talented, in some cases brilliant debaters who are trying to make their point from their own side, because through that path lies the truth. And to the extent to which we can ever glimpse into that darkness, that is the way to get it. And if we can train young people early on not to see debates as an amusement or a matter of fun, but as a way of getting to the truth as best we can make it out to be, and recognizing that it will always be provisional and ultimately modifiable. But as best we can do that, if we can convince them of that and of its function, then I think over the years, our world will be a much better place in which to live.
I think that's a very positive note, a relatively positive note on which to finish. Well, thank you. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you.